Oh shit, YouTube, you're on my bed. I knew it happened. Aye. Oh my god. I don't know why I'm coughing so much. But goddamn, mold in that room with some real shit. We're gonna move into another room probably. Trying to make that happen. Gonna talk to the landlord. Gonna stay on her because she doesn't answer the phone. And Jeremy's probably gonna be in Parallax, which is cool. Which is kind of funny because Parallax's old guitar player plays in Anahata, which is the band that Jeremy used to play in. And so, I feel like fucking switching. And what else? And Jenny's not in Killer Smile anymore, which is weird because that's her band, the band she started. And my band, we're like probably in the final stages of recording the goddamn album. And gotta do the vocals. That's all me. Aye. And that's what's really fucking real.